Now back to a story we mentioned earlier, in the latest in a string of violence against women. The Jamaica Constabulary Force says the man in a viral phone recording threatening his former partner's life has been arrested. Police say they started investigations immediately after receiving the recording. Now, we must caution that because of the sensitive nature of this story, it may not be appropriate for younger children. Viewer discretion is advised. Krista Campbell reports.
Denise, Mr. Alice, police did you want it. Can't make up my mind. Me, I will kill you.
A taped telephone conversation making the rounds on social media. The 10-minute-long dialogue is between a man called Peter, who lives in St. Catherine, and a woman, Denise, who left the relationship because of his temper. She now sells ground provisions in Oteria, St. Anne. Peter is angry, noting that he spent a lot on Denise, especially during her recent illness. He insists he's going to make her pay for hurting him and is bent on permanently stopping her from ever hurting another man.
I'm going to teach you something. Never show you say, all who you usually have, them a pretty boy. But never show you say, me a pretty boy. Never show you who can hurt people. Me tell you, me no want to hurt you, but never hurt you. Just who you hurt me, never hurt you. I'm going to hurt you.
Peter, I'm telling me I cannot agree. I'm going to leave there because you don't feel comfortable with your behavior. You take all iron and lick off the door. You take all iron and do this and do that and kick off the door. Or you expect me to feel about that?
All right,
when you did Peter. Man a kill woman hard.
It appears Denise secretly recorded the phone call, but Peter is defiant.
Peter?
Yes, just let me talk. That's why I'm telling you to report it. That's why I'm telling you to report it. Go report your man in. Tell police and Mrs. So. We say, I see him.
No, report nothing.
All right, look at what I'm going to do. Look if you now got it. Denise, listen, me link big, you know, y'all. Me link big, wide.
On its Twitter page, the police say they started investigations into the recording immediately after receiving it. The police also warned that they take such threats seriously and urge anyone who receives similar threats to report them. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.